Today we are going to solve previous year's exams, okay? So this one is the first exam in the notebook. It's page 35. So it's Cairo Governorate exam number 1. The first question is choose the correct answer. The multiplicative inverse of a square root of 3. Okay. How to get the multiplicative inverse of square root of 3? Simply, guys, we said that we will flip the number, right? So the multiplicative inverse, of course, will equal 1 over square root of 3. Are we clear till now?
Yes.
So the next step, I'm going to convert this square root of 3, or I mean the denominator, into integer. So I will multiply it by square root of 3 over square root of 3. So it will equal square root of 3 over 3. So this is the right choice actually, okay? It will be the choice C. Okay? This one is clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, concentrate with me well in this types of questions. Then number 2. The solution set of this equation. Which is x squared plus 9 equals 0. Okay? I want to get the solution set of this one. Okay. In R. Okay, which is the real numbers. Okay, now guys, this is equation. So x squared will equal, I'm going to shift this number to the other side. Okay, it's positive 9. So x squared will equal negative 9. So now x will equal the square root of negative 9. Okay, so do we have a square root for negative numbers? Of course, no. So now the solution set for this one will equal 5. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, great. Question number 3. If k and 3 satisfies the relation y equal to x plus 5, then k equals, then dots. Okay, Ahmed Sami.
k ثانية.
Ahmed, this ordered pair, we said that we agreed before. This one means x and this one means y, right?
Right.
So this is the coordinates of the point, x and y. So now x equals k, y equals 3. Okay, so this means in this relation here, y will equal 3, right?
Right.
So 3 will equal 2x. X equal what?
k.
K, so 2k plus 5. Now 2k will equal 3 minus 5 because I'm going to shift this number to the other side. So 3 minus 5. So 2k will equal negative 2. Yes, exactly. So k will equal negative 1. Okay, guys, is it clear? So the right choice for this one is letter B. So question number 3, B. Okay, are we clear? Then number 4. The volume of a cube, okay, is 27. So the volume equal 27 cubic centimeters. Then its lateral area, I wanted to get the lateral area equals what? Okay, guys, this is a cube. Okay, so the volume equal 27. Then I wanted to get the side length. Okay, so volume equals what? Side length cubed, or power 3, I mean. Okay, Ahmed Wael, continue. So
The volume equal 27, then the side length will equal square root cubic root of 27 equals 3.
Okay, great. So this is cubic root of 27, which will equal 3. So the side length will equal 3. Now get me the lateral area.
The lateral area
Lateral area of
equal
the
the
cube
area of
equals what?
of one face multiply 4.
So you mean that the lateral area will equal 4L squared, right?
Right.
Okay, great. So it will equal 4 times L squared. L equal 3, so 9. So now the lateral area will equal 4 times 9, okay, which is equal 36. And of course, this is area, so centimeters squared. Okay, so the right choice here for question 4 is 36, which is letter C. Okay, guys, are we clear till now? Then the next question. If 2x plus 1 equals 7, 2x plus 1 equals 7, then 3x equals dot. Okay, I want to get the value of 3x. Okay, who can solve this easy one? Abdurrahman.
Yes, okay, we will do 2x equals 7 minus 1. So 2x
Okay,
will equal
great. So 2x will equal 7. Then I have to shift this number to the other side.
7 minus
So
1.
7 minus 1. So
So
2x
2x will
will,
equal 6. And
great.
x will equal 6 over 2.
Okay, so I will divide the both terms by 2. Okay, so x will equal 3. Great.
X will
Then
equal
I want
3,
to get
okay.
3x.
3x will equal 9.
Yes, 3 times the value of x, which is 3, so it will equal 9. So 3x equal 9. So the right choice, guys, is 9, which is letter B. Okay. Question 6. Question 6. The mean of the values 3 and 2 and 4 and 7 is. Okay, Salma. I want to get the mean.
The mean will be 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 over 4.
Okay, great. We said
7.
that the mean equals the sum of the values, which is 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7, over the number of the values. 1, 2, 3, 4. So over 4. So it will equal 3 plus
16
2,
over
5.
4. 16 over 4.
Okay, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 7, yes, 16 over 4.
Over
So,
4 equal 4.
okay, great. So the right choice, guys, is letter D. For this question, letter D, 4. Okay, great. The next question. Question 2. Complete 3a squared b times dots equals 12a power 4 b squared. Okay, I wanted to get this term. Okay, so this question, I want Ahmad Wael, yes.
Okay, 3a power 2b. Okay, it will equal, that means that it will equal 4, 3ab power 2b multiply 4a power 2b.
Okay, great. So you said that 4a power 2b. Okay, let's check this one. That was 3, it becomes 12. Okay, so this means it was multiplied by 4. Then a power 2 multiplied by a number, it becomes a power 4. So this means a power 2. Then this b becomes b squared, so there is one b here. So 4a squared b. Yes, great. Okay, the next one. If the mode of the values, mode of the values 3 and 2 and 4, sorry, no, I copied another question. Just 1 second, guys. 1 second, please. One second, there is a small problem on my phone, so just to wait. Sorry guys, just 1 minute like this. I'm fixing a small. Still facing a problem on my phone, just 1 minute. Okay. Again, if the mode of the values 6 and 9, 6 and 9, and x minus 2 and 10 is 6, then x equals dots. Okay. Now, guys, the mode here equals 6. Okay. So this means number 6 is repeated here. Okay, the most
Mister,
common number between between these 4 values.
hello.
So this means if the mode equals 6, so that x minus, yes, yes guys, do you hear me?
You have a lag in your sounds.
Okay, now it becomes better.
Still lagging.
Me too.
Okay, just 1 second, let me check the network. Okay, let's continue. If the mode of 6 and 9 and x minus 2 and 10 is 6, now I want to get the value of x. Guys, now, mode means the most common number or the most common value, right? So here the mode is given it equal to 6, so that, okay, x minus 2 have to equal 6, so that number 6 will be repeated, okay, so that it will be the mode. So x minus 2 equals 6. So this means x will equal 6, then shift this -2 to the other side with different sign. So 6 plus 2, now x equal 8. So x equal 8. Understand, guys, this point?
Yes.
Now it's clear. I said that if the mode is 6, so now there is 6 and 9 and 10. So if the mode is 6, so that x minus 2 have to equal 6, so that 6 will repeat it 2 times. Okay, so that it will become the mode, right? So in this case, x minus 2 have to equal 6. So x minus 2 equals 6, so then x will equal 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, great. The next question. the interval of 2 and 7, difference the set of 7. Okay. Guys, this is actually the closed interval of 2 and 7, right? And also shade the distance in between. Where is the set of 7? Actually, this one is the set of 7 only at the point 7 like this. So this is 7. Okay. Now, guys, the closed interval 2 and 7, difference the set of 7, it will equal, who can tell me, guys? Okay, yes. Okay, Ahmed Wael, yes.
It will equal the closed interval 2 and 7 open interval.
Yes, exactly. So it will be closed from the side of 2 and opened from the side of 7, because here there is 7 is included in this set. So the difference, okay, will be 2 and 7, but 7 not included in this interval. It will be opened from this side. Okay? Okay, the next question, guys. The next question, question number 4, incomplete. The slope of the straight line parallel to x-axis, like this. This is x and y. Parallel, guys, like this to x-axis. So the slope equals what? We said that in this case, okay, if y2 equal to y1.
Equal 0.
Okay, so the slope will equal 0. Okay, we said that the slope, if the straight line parallel to x-axis, it will equal 0. So the slope in this question, guys, equal 0. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then the next question. The median of 24, I wanted to get the median. 24 and 20 and 11 and 36 and 40 is. We said that first step we have to arrange the values. Okay, ascendingly or descendingly, so it doesn't matter. Ascendingly, so from the smaller value, so 11 and then 20 and then 24 and then 36 and 40. Okay, these values are odd number or even numbers. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, right? So odd. So the median will be the number which is in the middle exactly, right? So the median here equal 24. So median 24. Are we clear about that?
Yes, Master.
Okay, great. Then the next question. If x equals the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2 and y equals 1 over square root of 3 plus the square root of 2, find the value of x plus y over xy. Okay. X now in the simplest form. What about y? I have to simplify this one. Okay, so y will equal 1 over square root of 3 plus square root of 2. Then I will multiply it by its conjugate times square root of 3 minus square root of 2 over square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Now, guys, it will equal the term on the numerator will be square root of 3 minus square root of 2 because it's multiplied by 1 over the production of two conjugate numbers. We said that the first number squared minus the second number squared. So first number squared means Square root of 3 squared means a 3 minus second number or second term squared, which is square root of 2 squared means 2. So this means it will equal square root of 3 minus square root of 2 over 1. Yes, square root of 3 minus square root of 2, like this. Okay, guys? So now we simplified the second term, which is y. Okay, so I will clear this, and then instead of all that, I'm going to write down that y equals square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Then we can get x plus y. I will clear this one. X plus y over xy. Okay, x plus y here means square root of 3 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 2. The summation of two conjugate numbers equals twice the first one. Okay, over xy means square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3 minus square root of 2. It will equal, now guys, positive square root of 2, negative square root of 2 means 0. Here, square root of 3 plus square root of 3 means 2 square root of 3. Are we clear till now? Over multiplication of two conjugate numbers. The first term squared minus the second term squared. So 3 minus 2 means 1. So it will equal 2 square root of 3 over 1, which is equal to square root of 3. It's very easy. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yes, Miss.
Any questions? Okay, great. Then the next point, which is question 3b. If the slope of the straight line passing through 2 points, A, 4 and K, and B, 3 and 2.
Mister,
Okay. And the slope is 5. Yes.
please can you repeat the last question?
Okay, no problem.
From the point that you say square root of 2 will go away with square root of 2 and it will equal حضرتك قلت it will equal ايه؟
Just 1 second because my phone, okay, again, suffering some problems. So just 1 second. I don't know, it's overheated today. Hopefully, yes, okay. Now it's working fine. Okay. Yes, Abdurrahman, you said at which point exactly? Square root of 2 and negative square root of 2 means 0, right?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
So square
And
root of 3.
square root of 3 plus square root of 3 equal 2 square root of 3.
Okay, over two conjugate numbers, multiplication of two conjugate numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it will equal the first term squared, which is 3, minus second term squared, which is 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it will equal 2 square
Okay.
root of 3, and that's it. Over 1.
Okay.
So it will
Okay.
equal square root of 3. Now it's clear?
Yeah.
Okay. The next question, if the slope of the straight line passing through the 2 points A, which is 4 and K, and B, which is 3 and 2. The slope equal 5. Find the value of K. Find K. Okay, now it's very easy to solve this one. There is one rule, we know that, okay? There is one rule about the slope. So guys, we said that. What will be the rule of the slope? Slope will equal,
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus
y2, y minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so the slope here is given, it equals 5. So 5 will equal y2 minus y1. So this means y2 minus y1. So this one means I'm waiting for you, Ahmed.
Also, it will equal 2 minus k over 3 over 4. 3 minus 4.
2 minus k over 3 minus 4. Okay, then now 5, this one is a whole number. Of course, it's over 1. Then cross multiplication, right? So 2 minus k times 1, which is 2 minus k, will equal 5 times this term, which is 5 times
15 minus 20.
3 minus 4, it's a negative 1, right? So 5 times a negative 1 means a negative 5. So k will equal, I'm going to shift this one 2 to the other side with negative sign. So negative k will equal negative 7. So k will equal 7. Okay, guys, are we clear? This question is
Mister,
clear?
please repeat this question.
Okay. Again, guys.
From the last point only.
Like k minus 2 over 4 minus 3 equal k minus 2.
Yes, it will be the same, Ahmed. If you will solve it like this, y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, it will be the same answer.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So if you will solve it this way, y1 minus y2, so k minus 2, I will write it with red color here on the side. y1 minus y2, so k minus 2 over x1, 4 minus 3 means 1. It will equal 5, the slope. So k minus 2 equal 5. So k will equal 7. It's the same exactly. Okay? Abdurrahman, now this one is clear or not yet?
Oh, yes, okay.
Okay, great.
Minus
Then
equals
the next,
7.
huh?
No, okay. It's clear.
Okay. So the next question, guys, find in R the solution set of this inequality. It's 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 greater than or equal negative 1 and less than 5. And represents the solution set on the number line. Okay. Now, guys, how to solve this inequality? Okay, we said that this is 2x plus 3, so I have to subtract this number. I have to remove this number, then subtract negative or subtract 3 from the three sides. So 2x plus 3 minus 3 greater than or equal negative 1 minus 3 less than 5 minus 3. Okay, then 2x negative 3 and positive 3 means 0 greater than or equal negative 4 less than 5 minus 3, which is 2. Divide by 2. So x greater than or equal negative 2 less than 1. Now the solution set will equal the interval of negative 2 and 1. Now there is greater than or equal negative 2, so it's closed. Here only less than, there is no equality sign. Okay, so this means it will be opened. So the solution set for this one will be the interval negative 2 and 1. Okay, now represent it on the number line. It's very easy. Negative 2 will be here, and this is 1. Negative 2 is closed, so shaded circle. 1 is opened, so unshaded circle, and then shade the distance in between like this. Finished. Is it clear, guys? Any questions till now?
Mister, repeat it, please.
Okay. Now, guys, we want to find the solution set of this inequality. we said that we have to get the value of x, we have to remove this number, which is 3, and also we have to remove this number, which is before x. So how to remove this 3? I will subtract 3 from the 3 sides here. Okay, so 2x plus 3 minus 3 greater than -1, also minus 3, and less than 5, also minus 3. Are we clear till now? So now 2x plus 3 minus 3 means that this one equals 0. So the remaining here will be 2x. So 2x is greater than or equal -1 minus 3, which is -4, and less than 5 minus 3, which is 2. Then now it's 2x. I want to get only x. So it's 2x, then divide by 2. So x will be greater than -4 divided by 2, which is -2, and 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Okay? So
Okay.
now the solution set will be -2 and 1. It's closed from the side of -2 because it's greater than or equal. And also I'm starting write the elements inside the interval from the smaller. So -2 and 1, not 1 and -2. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
-2 and 1, and then it's closed from the side of -2 and opened from the side of 1. Now the
Okay.
representation. -2, it will be shaded because it's greater than or equal. Also, it's included here because it's a closed from the side. And then -1, it's opened, so unshaded circle. Then shade the
Okay.
distance in between them. Okay, guys, now this question is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. The next one, which is question 4b. Simplify the following. Square root of 50 plus 2 square root of 18 minus square root of 32 minus 8 square root of half, or 1/2. Okay. Now, guys, how to simplify this one? Actually, it's very simple. Square root of 50, guys, we said that it's a square root of 25 times 2. Then plus 18, 2 square root of 18 means 9 times 2. Minus 32, guys, it's 16 times 2. Are we correct till now? So 16 times 2. Then minus. This one is 8. Okay, and here 1/2. I have two solutions here. I can multiply it by a square root of 2 over square root of 2 like this. Okay, and to get the result, okay, it will equal square root of 2 over 2. Okay, otherwise I can place a part of this 8 inside the square root, okay, so that I can divide it by 2 and get a number. Okay, so let's check the two solutions. One second, guys, I will write it here. 8 square root of 1/2. Okay, the first way I can multiply it by square root of 2 over square root of 2 like this. So it will equal 8 square root of 2 over 2, which will equal 4 square root of 2. This is number one. Number two, now, guys, this is 8 1/2 or square root of 1/2 like this. Okay. If I'm going to place a number from this 8 or a part from this 8 inside the square root, okay? So in this case, guys, 8 equals 4 times 2, for example. Okay, so 2 inside the square root means it will equal, now that 8 becomes 4, and that 2, okay, will be inside the square root. It will equal 4, right, over 2. So it will equal 4 square root of 2. The same result. Then you can choose which method you can use. Is it clear now, guys?
Mister, how did we get 4 when we put 2 in brackets in half?
Okay, again, I will clear it and solve it from the beginning. It's
Mister,
8.
make it
Yes,
like 16/2. Then it will be 8 inside 4 times 2, and we will take 4 outside.
we can solve it as we like, Ahmed. There are too much solution methods. Okay, now, if I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, this 8, okay, it will equal 64, right? Inside the square root. So it will be like this. 8 times 8 means 64 over 2, right?
Yes.
So it will equal the square root of 32.
2.
Okay?
Yes.
32 means 16 times 2. So 4 square root of 2.
Minus 2. Okay.
Okay? So we can solve it different ways. No problem. Okay, guys, now this one is clear. Or otherwise, you can multiply it by square root over 2 square root of 2 over square root over 2. Okay, so finally it will becomes 4 square root of 2. Now I will clear all this to continue. Actually, this is the most important point in this questions. So now this one becomes a negative 4 square root of 2. Okay, guys, so it will equal 25 square root of 2. This 25 outside the square root. The square root of 25 means 5, so 5 square root of 2 plus square root of 9 means 3. 3 times this 2 means 6 square root of 2 minus 16 square root of 16 means 4 square root of 2 minus 4 square root of 2. Now 5 plus 6, 11 minus 4, so it will equal 7 minus 4, so it will equal 3 square root of
3
2.
square root of 2.
Exactly. Great. So now this one is clear.
Yes.
Then please turn over the page. Turn over the page on question 5. Question 5, guys. If the volume of the sphere equals, okay, let's clear the board. If the volume of the sphere, it's a sphere, its volume equals 500 over 3, 500 over 3 by cubic centimeters. Find the length of its diameter. Find the diameter. Now,
Mister. Hello? Mister, you close the board.
sorry guys, I was disconnected. Let's continue.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Again, the volume of the sphere, volume, equals 500 over 3 by cubic centimeters. Find the length of the diameter. I want to get the diameter of this one. Okay, guys, of course, we know that the volume of the sphere equals 4 over 3 by r cubed, right? So now, guys, the volume is given. It's 500 over 3, so 500 over 3 by equals 4 over 3 by r power 3. Okay, so now I can simplify the two terms, or I mean the two sides. I will remove by from this side and this side, and also 3 from the two sides. So this means 500 will equal 4 r power 3. So r cubed will equal 500 over 4. So r power 3 or r cubed will equal 125. So r will equal the cubic root of 125, which will equal
8.5.
5 centimeters. Okay, so I wanted to get the diameter, guys. We said that the diameter equals 2r, right? So diameter will equal 2 times
10.
5 will equal 10 centimeters. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then the last question, which is 5b. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution. Only one question here on the last one related to the statistics. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution. Okay, now I'm going to draw this table like this. Here the sets, and here the frequency. It's the set of 5 to set of 45, 5, 15, okay, 5, 15. Then the set of 25, the set of 25, then 35,
35 and 45.
and 45, yes, exactly. And we have to add total, of course, but there is no enough space, so I will make it like this. Total, okay, is 20. Okay, so the frequency 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and
2,
then
3.
3 and 2.
3 and 2 or 3 and 2. Yeah, okay. 3
Yes,
and 2.
so I wanted to get the mean. Okay, now start the solution steps. The table. Then the first one will be the sets. Then x. Okay. X, which is remember, guys, x, which is the what?
The center of the set.
Very good. Centers of the sets. Great. Then after x, there is frequency. Then the last one, which is x times f. Okay, now the sets, guys, from that first table, set of 5, set of 15, set of 25, set of 35, set of 45. Okay, then what is the next step? X. Okay, now I want to get the centers. Here 5 and 15, so the center here 5 plus 15 equal 20 divided by 2, so 10. Okay, 15 plus 25, 40 divided by 2, 20. Then of course 30, 40, 50 like this. Okay, don't waste your time. Okay, then the frequency from the table, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, then 3, then 2. Now x times f. So I will just multiply these two numbers. 40, 100, 180, 120, 100. Then get the sum. Which sum or total exactly? Total. Of course, I want to get the total of frequency only. So this is already given from the table. It's a 20. And summation of x times f, okay, which is 140, 240, 320, 420, 440, 540. So 540. Now the question is finished. Mean will equal, the mean will equal what? 540, which is summation of xf over summation of f, which is the frequency. So it will equal this 0 with this 0, 54 over 2. So 27, I guess. Check it,
Yes.
guys, please. Okay.
Yes,
So, okay, great. So it will equal 27. The mean will equal 27. Then I think we still have some time, guys, so that we can continue to the next exam, okay? Exam number 2, which is
okay.
also Cairo Governorate, okay? Okay, so let me clear the board. Then the first question here, this exam page 36, guys. Choose the correct answer. Square root of 5 plus square root of 3 squared, like this. Square root of 5 plus square root of 3 squared times square root of 5 minus square root of 3 squared will equal then multiple choices like this. Okay. Okay, how to solve these questions? Such type of questions, it's very easy. This one is square root of 5 plus 3. This one is square root of 5 minus 3, and they are, both of them are squared, right? They multiplied, guys, right? So this means that they will equal a square root of 5 plus a square root of 3 times a square root of 5 minus a square root of 3, all at the power of 2. Okay? So this one will equal 2 conjugate numbers. So the first squared, which is 5, minus second squared, which is 3. Then they are squared. So it will equal 2 squared, which is equal 4. This is first way. The second way, you can simplify the two brackets like this.
Sir, I use this way.
Okay. The second way, you can simplify each bracket alone, like this. This one, square root of 5 plus square root of 3 squared. So it will equal first term squared, which is 5, plus 2 times the first times the second. So it will equal 2 times the square root of 5 times square root of 3, which is 2 square root of 15. Then plus the second term squared, which is square root of 3 squared, means 3, like this. Then times the second one, square root of 5 squared means 5. Then minus 2, because it's a negative here. 2 times the first times second, so 2 square root of 15. Plus the second term squared, which is 3. Now, guys, here there are like terms, 5 and 3, so it will equal 8 plus 2 square root of 15 times 5 plus 3, also 8, but minus 2 square root of 15. Now again, two conjugate numbers. So it will equal the first number squared, which is 64, minus second number squared, 2 square root of 15. Like this, 2 square root of 15 squared. 2 squared means 4. Square root of 15 squared means 15. So 4 times 15 means 60. So it will equal 4. Okay, guys, are we clear? Any
Yes,
questions? Any questions
you.
still now?
Thank you.
Okay, great. Then the next one. The lower limit of a set is 4 and the upper limit is 8. Lower is 4 and the upper is 8. Okay, then the center is. How to get the center? It's very easy. We said that lower plus upper divided by 2. Okay, so now, guys, it will be 4 plus 8 divided by 2, so it will equal 12 divided by 2, which will equal 6. Okay, so 12 divided by 2, so it will equal 6. Then the right choice is letter B, okay, which is 6. Okay, this one is clear, guys?
Yes.
Then question 3. Question 3. 5 belongs to, okay. The question is like this. 5 belongs to, then dots, then given some choices, like the set of 55, and the open interval of 1 and 5, and negative infinity and 4, and finally negative 1 and the infinity, negative 1 and infinity, and it's opened from the two sides like this. Of course, guys, 5 belongs to, okay, means 5 included in one of these sets. Okay, so how can I solve such types of questions? It's very easy. 5 belongs to 55. This one only contains one element. It's 55. Okay, not 5 and 5, so it's 55. So this is wrong. This interval 5 is not included because it's opened, so wrong. This one till 4, then wrong. This one from negative 1 and the whole positive direction because it's a positive infinity. So also 5 is included, and 6 and 7, and as you like of positive numbers, all positive numbers. So 5 belongs to the set of negative 1 and infinity like this, positive infinity. Okay, so it's the last choice. Okay, guys, this one is clear. Any questions till now?
No, thank you, Miss.
Okay, great. Then the next question. The mode of the values 4 and 11 and 8 and 2x. 4 and 11 and 8 and 2x is 8. Okay, guys, so the mode here is 8. So means the most repeated or the most common number here is 8. So this is 4, 11, 8. So this one have to equal 8. So 2x equal 8.
2
So
times
this
4.
x will equal 4. So the answer, guys, here, x will equal 4, which is letter B. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, great. Then the next one. If the volume of a cube is 27, the volume of a cube is 27, okay, cubic centimeters. So volume equals 27 cubic centimeters, okay. Then the perimeter of one of its faces is, okay, I want to get the perimeter of one face, Okay, so this is a cube. So first, volume equals the side power 3. So this means the side will equal the cubic root of the volume, which is 27. So it will equal 3. Okay, now the side is 3, and this one is cube. Okay, so the perimeter, guys, will equal perimeter of that one. It's a cube, one face. One face
Equal
means
4.
7 by itself
3 times
equals
4.
9.
3 times 4.
it's a perimeter of a square, right? The face here
Same
of a cube is a square.
3 times 4.
So 3, and this one 3, and this one 3, and this one 3. So the perimeter will equal 3
3 times
times
4
4.
will equal 12.
Okay, so the perimeter will equal 12. Perimeter of one face will equal 12 centimeters. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then the last one. If negative 1 and 5 satisfies the equation, let me write it on the board. If negative 1 and 5 satisfies the equation 3x plus ky equals 7, then k will equal what? satisfies the equation, okay, or the relation. So this means that this is x and this is y, right? So now I'm going to substitute with these values in the equation. Now 3x means 3 times a -1 plus ky. Y is 5, so 5k equals 7. So -3 plus 5k will equal 7. So 5k will equal -3 to the other side. Okay, with positive, of course, because it's a negative. So equal 10. So k will equal 2.
2.
Are we okay till now? Okay, great. Then the next question, question 2, complete.
Mister,
Yes.
in the equation it was 3x, not negative 3x.
Okay, 3x. Sorry. 3x. Where is that negative 3x? Why you said that negative 3x? From where you got negative 3x? I solve it.
No, I say it was 3x, not negative 3x. You say that it was negative 3x, so it will go in the other side, so it will be 7 plus 3, so it will equal 10. What
Okay,
was in the
just
equation?
concentrate. 1
Okay,
second, and to concentrate. This is
okay,
3x, right? What is
yeah,
the value of x here?
negative 1.
Okay, so 3 times a -1 equals what?
Negative 3. Ah, okay, okay, I'm
Then
sorry.
we will shift it to the other side with the
It will
different
equal
sign, so
3.
it will be 7
Okay,
plus. Okay.
okay.
Next question. Complete the following. If the volume of the sphere 9/2 pi, volume equals 9/2 pi, then the radius will equal what? Volume of the sphere, we said that, the rule.
4 over
Volume
3
of the sphere,
4 over
4
3,
over
4
3
over
by
3
power 3.
by R3.
by r power 3. So now the volume is 9/2. It's a given. So 9/2 by will equal 4/3 by r cubed. Okay, now I can simplify the two sides by terminating this by with this by, right?
Yes.
So now 9/2 equals 4/3 r power 3. So r power 3 will equal 9/2 divided by 4/3, which is 9/2 multiplied by 3/4. So it will equal
9 times 3 equal
27.
27 over 8.
27 over 8.
Great. So now this is r power 3. Now I'm going to get r only. I will write it here on the side. So r will equal the cubic root of 27
27 over
over
8.
8, which will equal cubic root of 27 means 3. 8
3
cubic
over
root
8, it means 4. 2, 2.
2, because cubic root means the number multiplied by itself 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the radius. The question here, they asked for what? Okay, the radius. So this is the radius, guys. Okay, are we clear?
Yes.
Mister,
Yes.
if you want the diameters, what it will equal? We will do 3 over 2 times 2, so it will equal 6 over 4, or what?
Over 4y over 4. You will multiply 2 on the numerator and the denominator. Is it 2 over 2 or 2 over 1? It's a whole
What?
number. You will multiply it by 2. So 2 over 1. So 6 over 2, not over 4. Only you will multiply the numerator.
Yeah, okay. We will not multiply in the denominator. Okay. I ask about this only.
Because
Okay.
if I want to get the diameter, it will equal 2r. So 2r means it will equal 2 times 2 over 3. So in this case, it will equal 6 over 3, which is
6 over
2.
2. 6 over 3. Yeah, okay.
Okay. 1 second again. I'm
Okay.
multiplying 2 times 3 over 2. Of course, this 2 is a whole number, so it's over 1, right? So I multiply the numerators, which are 2 times 3
2
equals
times
6,
3.
over denominators, which is 1 times 2,
1
which is
times
2.
2
So it will
equal
equal
2.
3.
Okay. Total equal 3. Okay.
Okay, great. Then the next point, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 times 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. It will equal, and then it's given in the answer 6x squared plus 6x squared plus dots like this only. Okay, so now how to solve this one? It's very easy. First, I have the first term, I will multiply first by first. Okay, so it's 2x times 3x, 6x squared. That's correct. Then the middle term, product of means plus product of extremes. So negative, don't forget the sign, negative 3 times 3x, so negative 9x. 5x times, 2x times 5x, 10x. 10x minus 9x means x. So here, x. Then last term will be the second times second, right? Like this, which is negative 3 times 5 minus 15. Otherwise, guys, if you want to solve it using the traditional way, okay, you have to write it like this. First to first, first to second, second to first, second to second, like this. Are we clear?
Yes.
So also in this case, it will equal 6x squared. Then the first to the second, 2x times 5 means plus 10x. Then negative 3 times 3x, negative 9x. Then the negative 3 times 5 minus 15. So now 6x squared, then positive 10 minus 9x, so plus x minus this 15. Finished, the same result. Okay, guys, are we clear? Any questions till now?
Thank you.
Okay, great.
Can you repeat it again?
Yes, sure. For the multiplication, guys, okay, we will multiply first by the first, then first by the second. So 2x times 3x means 6x squared, the first term. Then 2x times 5, 10x. Then the second term times the first, negative 3 times 3x, negative 9x. Then negative 3 to the second one, okay, times 5, so negative 15. Now 10x and negative 9x means x. So 6x squared plus x minus 15. That's it. Or I can solve it with different way. How? The first term will be first times first. 2x times 3x means 6x squared. Okay. The last term will be second term to the second term, negative 3 times 5, so negative 15. What about the middle? Product of means equals the product of extremes. What are the means and the extremes? This is the extremes, and this is the means. Okay, so 2x times 5 means 10x. Negative 3 times 3x, negative 9x. 10x minus 9x, or negative 9x plus 10x. Okay, so it will be x. So the middle term will be positive x like this. Now, is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then question 3. Question 3, the closed interval 3 and 4. The closed interval 3 and 4. Difference, the set of 3 and 5. Difference, the set of 3 and 5. Equals. Okay, I told you before, guys, always represent it on any side of your answer paper. Okay, so here 3 and 4. So this is 3. This is 4. Okay, it's closed from both sides. So circled, circle, and shaded. I mean, then shade the distance in between like this. Then 3 and 5. Another number line. Where is 3? Here. Of course, it's included because this is a set. So 3. And then 5. This is 5. So this is 5. Okay, also included here. Okay, now I want to know 3 and 4
Another
the
section.
interval difference of the set of 3 and 5.
Sorry, I
Okay,
have a session now.
huh?
I have now a session.
Okay, so I'm going to finish, don't worry. Maybe within 2-3 minutes like this. Okay, so guys, what will be the difference here between the set of 3 and 4 and sorry, the interval of 3 and 4 and the set of 3 and 5? The difference. Actually, guys,
It's 3 and 4, 5.
Open 3 and 5 opened.
here, guys, why 5? 5 is in the first one. I wanted the difference between this one and this one. This one contains 3 and 4, and the numbers one which is between. 3 already on the top one, so I'm talking about this area only. From 3 to 4, and the 4 is closed, and the 3 is opened because it's included on the second one, like this. Right?
Okay, right.
So this will be the difference. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then the next question, I will finish only the question, the complete question, Ahmed. Okay, then we will finish the session.
Mister,
Okay,
can you repeat it again?
this one, yes. Here I want to get the difference between this interval which contains the 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 and the elements which are in between, of course. And the set of 3 and 5. So 3 exists on the set. So now it's not the difference. The difference will start after 3 directly. I mean this area till the end of the interval, which is 4. So the difference will be 3 and 4. Okay, but 3 already on the set. So it will be opened from the side of 3. I mean the elements which is directly after 3. This is the difference. Till 4. And the 4 is included, of course, because it's not here on the set. The set only 3 and 5. Okay, guys, it's clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then the next question, the very easy one, A, 1 and negative 2. A, 1 and negative 2, sorry, 1 and negative 2, like this. And B, 5 and negative 4. Then the slope of AB equals, who can tell me about this one? Slope.
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will equal negative 4 minus plus 2 over 5 minus 1. It will equal negative 2 over 4 or equal negative 1 over 2.
Okay, so again, Ahmed, please, the slope will equal?
Negative 1 over 2.
Okay, the steps.
y2 minus y1 over x2
minus
minus
y1
x1.
over x2 minus x1. So it will equal?
Negative 2 minus 4.
Negative 2 minus 4.
The minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2 or 1 minus 5.
1 minus 5. So it will equal negative 2
Over negative 4.
Negative 4. How? Negative 2 minus negative 4. It will be like this, Ahmed. Negative 2 minus negative 4. Right?
I said plus 4.
Okay. Maybe I didn't hear you. Okay, great. Over 1 minus 5. Okay. So it will equal negative 2 plus 4, which is 2 over negative 4, which is equal negative 1 over 2. So the slope will equal negative half. Okay, guys, is it clear? Okay, then the next question. This will be the last one, Ahmed, okay? So that we will finish the session after that. The mean of the values, 7 and 11 and 21 and 10 and 16. I want to get the mean. Mean equals the sum of the values, which is 7 plus 11 plus 21 plus 10 plus 16 over the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5. So 7 plus 11, 18, 18 plus 21. Okay, so it will equal 39, 39 plus 10, 49, 49 plus 16, 55. So 55 over 5. So the mean will equal 11. Okay, guys? I think I was mistaken. Here, 7 plus 11, 18 plus 21, 18 plus 21, so 39 plus 10, 49, 49 plus 16, it's 65, sorry, 65 over 5, so it will equal 13, I guess. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, so we have to stop here. Okay, so do you have any questions till now related to this?
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, very good.